What's up, friends? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I've been sharing as many tips and tricks as I can to get you started and encouraged to get started in tech. So I hope you're enjoying the ride so far. We've got amazing lighting today, so I thought I would take advantage of it and kind of come on here and show you guys a Google trick that I kind of stumbled into, and it freaked me out a little bit. Ho, ho, ho. Up Googling one night, as one would want to do, and this weird thing popped up, and I thought somebody was taking over my computer, so I immediately closed out of it and shut my computer down. But it turns out that it's Google's secret Foobar challenge, Foobar coding challenge. So I'm gonna attempt to reopen it again, open up the treasure trove or whatever again. So I'm going to screen record and show you guys, and then hopefully you guys can try it on your own and do it too, because apparently Google is making offers to or interviews for anyone who can solve these challenges. So, I love Ready Player One. I love an Easter egg. So this should be a good time. Okay, so I'm recording the screen. I'm going to hit record now. And so what you want to do is open up a bunch of tabs, open up 12 tabs in your Chrome browser. And we're going to start searching for pretty specific programming terms. So what I was searching for that night was list comprehension, because I was doing some research on Python. So let's start with that. It happened. It worked. Okay, so I didn't read this fully the first time. I just saw it and completely just closed out of it. But what it says is, curious developers are known to seek interesting problems. Solve one from Google? Question mark. And it says, I want to play, no thanks, don't show me this again. And I think at the time I probably clicked don't ever show me this again. So this time we're gonna click I want to play. And it's opening up like a crazy, like a cave. Oh no, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so now it says, oh, okay. So there's a cute little story that goes with it. So this says, success. You've managed to infiltrate Commander Lambda's evil organization and finally earned yourself an entry-level position as a bunny planet problem. Success. You've managed to infiltrate Commander Lambda's evil organization and finally earned yourself an entry-level position as a minion in her space station. From here, you just might be able to subvert her plans to use the Lamb Chop Doomsday device to destroy Bunny Planet. Okay? Problem is, minions are the lowest of the low in the Lambda hierarchy. Better buck up and get working or you'll never make it to the top. Okay, this sounds kind of crazy. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is, after I did a little digging around to see what this was originally, is we need to type request. And then it says, you're about to begin a time-limited challenge. You will have 7 days to complete each newly requested challenge or lose access to the site. Oh, wow. Okay. If you do not have time for the challenge now, you may click here to sign in and save your place so you can return later when you have more time. All right, let's sign up. This is kind of crazy. Okay, so I'm here. All right, so I did request. So now, yes, I want to, okay, I guess I have to type request again. And yes, I want to proceed with the challenge. It's requesting the challenge. Ooh, okay. When did you sign up for infiltration duty again? The pamphlet from Bunny HQ promised exotic and interesting missions. Yet here you are, dredging in the lowest level of Commander Lambda's, that's hard to say, Commander Lambda's organization. Hopefully you get that promotion soon. The universe wants me to get a promotion. Here we go. Okay, new challenge, Braille translation added to your home folder. Time to solve, 168 hours. Okay, so the first thing is I think we should type LS. And there's a Braille translation file, a journal.txt, and a starthere.txt file. So what we'll probably do is, should we do the starthere.txt? I think we can do cat starthere.txt. Okay, so I guess we cannot do that. So what can we do then? So I was able to LS or CD into this Braille translation file. So now let's see what's in there. And we got the solution, constraints, readme, text, readme, and the solution. So I guess let's read the readme file, right? So can we open that? Cat. Okay. All right, so there's a bunch of instructions here. Because Commander Lambda, that's so hard for me to say, is an equal opportunity despot. She has several visually impaired minions, but she never bothered to follow intergalactic standards for workplace conditions, so those minions have a hard time navigating her space station. You figure printing out Braille signs will help them, and since you'll be promoting efficiency at the same time, increase your chances of a promotion. Okay. So it's telling you what Braille is. All right, so they want you to solve this. So, special printer that prints bumps onto the sign expects the dots in the following order. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay, so given the plain text word code, you get the Braille dots, just like that, where 1 represents a bump and 0 represents no bump. Put together code becomes the output string right there. So the challenge is to write a function solution that makes a string parameter and returns a string of 1s and 0s representing the bumps and absence of bumps in the input strings. Wow. I'm gonna have to phone a friend on this. This is not my area of expertise. But what I did find from doing some research is that you can do, I guess if we do LS again, we can do the solution in Java or Python. So we can do solution.py. Did not work. Oh, okay, we have to do edit. Oh, and then this cute little Python editor pops out. That's pretty convenient and cute. Okay. And then we can like close that with Command E. So I just closed that out with Command E. So I guess we do ls edit solution.py and then put your solution here, save it, in the closeout, we would do Command E. And then to verify, we would do verify solution.py. And we didn't put anything in there, so it's wrong. So this is kind of a fun challenge if you're up for it. Word on the street is, you know, there's like 5 different levels to this. So if you ultimately get to level 5, a Google recruiter like calls you. So I mean, it's interesting. I'm definitely gonna put my head together with one of my super smart software engineering friends and see if I can figure this out. This is really cool. Definitely something to try. So all right, friends, thanks for watching this video. Give this a try and let me know in the comments if you were able to get this to trigger and open up for you and what search term you used. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.